Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert percent to decimal. I'm going to show you how we get from 25% to its decimal form, which is 0.25. So in order for you to understand, this is how it works. Percent means out of 100. Okay? So that's the definition of the word percent. Per means out of, cent means 100. So percent means out of 100. So let's say we have 25%. This means 25 out of 100. So this we would write as 25 out of 100. It would be a fraction. So in order to turn this fraction into a decimal, we would have to divide. This is the same thing as writing 25 divided by 100. In order to do division, let's do this. We would put the first number inside the house. The second number goes outside the house. So now we need to look and see 25 divided by 100. Okay, how many times does 100 go into 2? It does not go in any times, so we put 0. How many times does 100 go into 5? Again, that's a 0. It does not go in any time. The next, what we do, we have to put a decimal spot. Okay? So now 100, 250. How many times does 100 go into 250? That's 2 times. Because there's a decimal spot here, there's also one up here. So this would be 2 times. So 2 times 100 is 200. Now, this is 250 minus 200. We bring the 5. This is 0. We can add another 0 here. We can actually add as many zeros as you want. It doesn't change the value. 25.00 is the same thing as 25. We bring this 0 down. Now, how many times does 100 go into 500? It goes 5 times. 5 times 100 is 500. So 500 minus 500 is 0. We're done. We don't need to do anything else. So now we have this value. We'll write it down. 25 divided by 100 is 0.25. Now to simplify it, we don't need this 0, so we can just write it as 0.25. And that's how we get our answer. And we can do this for any decimal, whether it's 25, 50, 75, anything else. This would be how you would convert a percent into a decimal.